Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone once again, and today inshallah we are going to be rounding up the explanation on the data sheet. So we have started our explanation on the order confirmation sheet for the website orders and ads team, and we also did the same thing for those who are in the order confirmation team. Inshallah, today we are going to be doing it for those who are in the delivery and payments team. So the delivery and payments team are also going to be using the order confirmation sheet as earlier explained. Now, for the delivery, there are going to be two major means of delivery. The first one is GIG, and the second one is going to be our local delivery agents in different states. For now, we are going to be explaining with GIG. As time goes on, we are going to be explaining how we are going to be dealing with the delivery agents in the different states. So we are going to be assuming that our mode of delivery for now is GIG. So now that that is understood, so as a person in the delivery uh, and payment team, you are also to come to the sheet, do you understand, at those times and check what the at the times you had said earlier. So that's 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Do you understand? And when you get to the sheet, do you understand? And you see any of the orders that are in this color, which is light blue, this light blue color, it means that you should work on them, that they are confirmed orders. So what is it that you're going to do? The first thing you're going to do is that you're going to input your name. So you go to the last column and input your name. So that shows that okay, you are the person that worked on it. So let's say your name is Qasim. So you write Qasim. So Qasim, you are the one that worked on this sheet. Then you go back, and the next thing you are going to do is you are going to choose the means of delivery. So as I've said earlier on, for now we are going to be using GIG. So you just write GIG. So after you are done doing that, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to create the GIG shipment. So for the GIG shipment, I'm going to do a separate video on how to create the GIG shipment. You are going to be using your phones to create the GIG shipment. So I'm going to be doing a separate video on that. So when you are done creating the GIG shipment, the pickup location would already be there when you have created it. So you will need to input it. So I'm just going to be using an arbitrary address. So the arbitrary address will be Auchi station. So the price of the product is 35,000 naira. All of these are arbitrary information. Now for the order number are of two types. When you create your shipment, GIG is going to give you an order number that starts with PRE. When they now process it on their end and they send it out, they are going to change that PRE number into another number that starts with 13 something something something. So when you create the shipment, the other number you are going to have there is the PRE something something. So that's what you are going to write here. So you write the PRE, maybe 1342345. Maybe that's the other number, and you leave it. Do you understand? Then you move on, and that's all you need to do. So I think that's basically it. So once you have created this, you have done this, and you've already created the shipment with GIG, you are going to change it from this light blue to the dark blue that shows shipped here. So you come here. As I've said earlier on, it is only the colors in this top area that we are using. So just look for the one that is similar to it. So in this case, it is the shipped is the blue one. As you can see, this blue one. So this is it here. So just click on it. So it means that we have shipped this item out. Do you understand? So because this is red means that you can't do anything. So the only ones you can work on are the ones that are confirmed, which are these lights blue. So you go to the next one. So you repeat the process as I've explained. And what is the process? The first thing you do is that what you write your name in front. So in this case, your name, Qasim, Qasim. After that, the next thing is that what? The next thing is that what? Aha, yes, exactly. You are going to write the means of delivery, which is what? GIG. Then after that, once you've written the means of the delivery, the next thing is that you're going to what? To create the shipment. As for how to create the shipment, as I've said earlier, I'm sorry, I filled it in the wrong area. It should be here. So GIG. So as for how you are going to create the shipment, as I said earlier on, I'm going to make a separate video explaining that. So in that video, I'm going to explain how you are going to create the shipment. So once you are done creating the shipment, you are going to input that address of the station they will go and pick it up. So and in this case, let's say it is this for this person, it is Peter Odili station. Do you understand? So you write it there. Do you understand? And you write this. So and once you are done there, you write the price of the product, 35,000, and also you write the window number. I've explained to you how you would see the order number. So you write it. So I'm going to explain this right while we are in the app. I will show you a real life example, so you'll be able to understand how it works physically. So and once you are done with that, you are good to go. What do? Then you change the color. Now once you've changed the color to shipped, do you understand? The next thing you have to do is that once GIG changes the number from PRE, I'm going to show you how you are going to see it in the app. So I'm going to explain all of that. But once it changes it, there's a way you would know. They will send a notification on the app, and you see the notification that they've created that shipment and they've started working on it. So the name from changes from this PRE, do you understand? And it changes to, so you can see that it's not easy for us to see this PRE. So we'll change it to white. So you just select everything. Is this first one that has text color? You can see it. Is it we are going to change to white? So it's a lot easier to read now. So now this PRE, we are going to change it. We are not going to change. We are just going to put a slash, and we're going to write the new one. Let's say 135 something 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 something. So that will be the actual order number. So we know the one before and after. And once they've done that, the second thing you are going to do is that you are going to send a message, a shipping message to them. So the shipping message we are going to send to them, do you understand? We are going to send it to you on the group, and you will see the message itself. So that shipping message will be sent to them, letting them know that their order has been processed and their shipment has been sent via GIG, and that's their order number, and they can now go to GIG's website to track their shipment. So once you've sent that message, you now tick this, that okay, we've sent the message. Oh, do you understand? So every day at those times that we are usually to check the sheet, which are what time? 9 o'clock in the morning. What again? What time again? What time again? 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock at noon, 3 o'clock at afternoon, and 6 o'clock uh, in the in the evening. All of these times you go back and you go and check. So all of this other number you'll be checking to know the status. The very moment it gets delivered to the station that the person will go and pick it, you are going to send a delivery message to the person. So when we send a delivery message to the person, then we will tick it. As for the format of the delivery message, inshallah, we are going to be sending it to you. And I'm also going to, as I said earlier on, I'm going to be doing a actual video on how to, for the sending of the message and for the GIG shipment. So I'm going to be doing all of that, inshallah, so that we understand how it works. Now, once that has been done, do you understand? And it has delivered. We've sent delivery message and it has delivered. We are going to change the color of this sheet from shipped, do you understand, to what? Arrived. Letting us know. So it means that this product now, and we're going to change the color of the text back so that we can see it to black. So letting us know that this your product, oh, it has arrived. However, the person has not yet gone to pick it, but it has arrived, and we have already sent message to him to let him know that okay, oh, the product has what arrived. So usually when you send the message, more than half of them will respond to you that okay, thank you, I'm going to go and pick it up. However, some people will remain quiet. So for those that remain quiet, you give them the space of 1 day. If they don't say anything, you pick up your phone and you call them. You understand that your item that you ordered for has arrived at so location and would want you to go and pick it up. Do you understand? And based on that, the person will give you the response and you would deal with it as necessary. So once the person picks it up, you come back again and you change it from this yellow to what? To delivered. So you change it again to what? To deliver, which is what? Color green, exactly color green. So when you change it to delivered, it means that the order has been delivered. So we are waiting for them to pay us in GID. So in the app, I'm also going to explain all of that, inshallah. So when they make the payments to us, do you understand? And we confirm the payment. Then we've explained to you in the payment sheet. You now go to the payment sheet and you what? You update the information that so amount was paid, and then you now come here to say that yes, the money has actually been paid and it has been changed to what? You change it to what? Yes, purple. And then you go back to the end of that sheet, do you understand, and you write the date it was paid. Let's say it was paid on the 30th of October. You write it there that it has actually been paid and this was the date it was paid. So that way we can always link each of those payments back to the payment, so that okay, this was one of those payments that was made on the 30th of what? October. So we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood than said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.